Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a Project Life spread for 2016 and this is my week 34. So for this spread I was on a scrappy day and I was determined to use things that I had just got. So I'm using one of the sale kits that I got from Studio Calico, and this one is the April of 2017 kit. So perfectly reasonable that I use this with 2016. I just got it a lot cheaper because I'm well behind. But anyway, I started going through the sort of embellishments etc. that came with this kit, and I did initially pretty much straight away liked a piece of the flare, and that was the one that said "for the record." So I popped it on the card with the flowers that also said "do good." And then I pulled out one of the chipboard pieces that said "on Oh My Stars." This was quite a quiet week in our family, hence there's a lot of pictures of my daughter's nice and tidy uni room. So I didn't really need anything that particularly related to the pictures or the story, just because there wasn't many pictures in there. In fact, I don't think I took any of them. I must have been having a bad week. But anyway, also due to the fact that these Studio Calico kits don't seem to come with too many embellishments in different varieties, I do also have a few tubs on my desk. So I do have a couple of little IKEA tubs with some bits and pieces in left over from other kits, sort of don't really have a home pieces. And then I also have this leaf bowl from IKEA that is currently full of pieces from Citrus Twist grab bags that I picked up when I first started subscribing, and they've got lots and lots of different bits in. So I do end up using quite a few bits from there. Up on that top card I've got a pink acrylic star. I've also pulled out a couple of the glitter stars. Now initially I was just going to use the pink ones, though I didn't seem to have enough to spread across the layout how I liked it anyway. So I do end up also pulling in the yellow glitter ones, though I do go through this tub for quite a while trying to find some pink ones, because I know there was quite a few buried, but also having a go of the little glitter plus signs. But in the end I do just decide to add in some of the little yellow glitter stars as well. And I do really like the way they look. I do have a couple of pink or yellow across each of the cards, so I think that provides quite a nice bit of continuity across all the cards, ties it all together. I'm not sure where I've disappeared off to now. Alphabet stickers. So I did go hunting for alphabet stickers. I'd found a cork word that I see it as saying time, though now I'm looking at it again it may say true. But anyway, I'm going to stick with it saying time and I will end up, after searching through a few different letter stickers, I will end up just settling on some little block white with black letter stickers, and they are from Adorn It, I think. I've had them for years. They were like £1 per sheet, and I will add on there time to paint. I didn't realise that I had so much of me looking for alphabet stickers in, so I do apologise. But anyway, here I am. I've finally settled on the alphabet stickers that I'm going to use, and as I say, I'm just going to have time to paint as sort of a little mini title, due to the fact that my daughter decided to paint a few wooden items. And then I'm going to add in one of these beautiful little puffy faces, and I'm going to add that one in sort of a purple tone that does go across the layout. And then once I've done that, the main thing I felt that the page needed was I got some wood veneer on two of those bottom cards, but I did feel as though it needed some wood veneer somewhere else just to pull it in across the layout. So I'm going to have a look through this tub from Citrus Twist. Again, I'm going to have a look through quite a bit, partly because things get hidden in there because there's loads and loads of tiny little pieces, and partly because frankly I just can't make my mind up. The first layout that I did on this scrappy day seemed to come together really quickly, and after that I had a couple where I just seemed to struggle to get in the flow, and this seemed to be one of them. But I'm going to pull in a little chipboard word, and it just says need. Need today, or oh, well, I've got need today and oh my stars. It's sort of relevant, it's sort of not. You could think that, you know, it's needed today for my daughter to clean her uni room. Probably was. You know, there's a few different ways that you can think this should go, but it looked cute, it worked, it wasn't not relevant, so I went for it. And I have finally made the decision, so I am going to get things stuck down. I did need to bring out my fine line bottle, which seemed to not want to open. I thought the screw cap was there for an eternity, but no, it did eventually open, and it closed up again really well. So while I got that bottle out, I did decide to use it just to glue down my other wood pieces, though I have been known to glue them with Hermafix before now and not had a problem. I did also try and glue down the little flare badge with it. That one didn't work so well. So you will see in a moment when I pick up the card with the flare badge on, that it just falls off. The glue did touch both sides of the paper, but I think just because it's got a little dip in it, it wasn't having it. There we go. Pick it up, fail. So I do go through, go into my little adhesives drawer for adhesives I don't use that often, and did just find some glue dots. The first one I tried with not taking the other glue off first, and that was another fail. So I wiped off the glue that I'd put on there and just went straight on with a sticky dot, and that worked perfect. So I should have just thought of them first, but hey ho, see, look, giving it another try, didn't fall off, bonus. So that is that spread done. I'm going to go round all of my cards now with a black pen, as I always do on the whole of my 2016 album. Every single card that I've added on has gone round in black pen, just for some continuity. And then, yeah, that will be that spread done. So I'll show you quickly some close-ups, and then there are some pictures at the end. But if you've got any questions about anything I've used, please ask. I'll be more than happy to go into more detail. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.